Hey guys, happy Wednesday the 24th. It's a little rainy out here in the Midwest, but we're in Waterloo checking on the hardwood team. We're doing some hardwood floor sanding and refinishing. See all the equipment right there. Let's check on the team. Hey, let's go. Look at that right there, beautiful. See, we're already coating.
Yeah, as soon as you get there,
Like a mock.
I'm in.
Yeah, well, I'm glad.
All right, guys, we're putting down the first coat. As you can see, this floor looks beautiful, cheaper than replacement, and they are excited. If you need the service, reach out to us, AOCleaning.com. The AOCleaning team did a great job. With the feed. Remember, guys, if you need the service, we got you covered since 2003. AOCleaning.com. Subscribe for more. Don't miss a video. Yeah.
It seemed like it was worse up there.
Highly recommend.
Awesome. They're blowing away, guys, results. Again, we restored these hardwood floors. They're 65 plus years old, right? Yeah. And we restored them back down to the original glory and put a satin sheen, guys, and they're excited. And I think they're excited, too, because they hired local.
We hired local and it looks great. Did an amazing job. Jerry and Earl did the job and looks amazing.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, guys, and enjoy your beautiful floors.
Thank you.